Hello, Greenforce users! Today, we'll guide you through the process of raising a query. Let's get started. Begin from either the Homepage, Dashboard, or Account tabs. Look for the Menu button, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, located at the top right of your screen. Once in the menu, select Query to begin the query process. Specify if your query is related to support, or if it's a request for information. Enter your request or question in the description section to provide detailed information. Select the priority level based on the urgency of your query. Choose the status related to the survey you're inquiring about. After completing the query section, click Save to submit your query. And there you have it! Raising a query with Greenforce is simple and efficient.